Hi students, MCQ number 12. In the following circuit, the potential difference across the capacitor of 2 farad has to be determined. So look at the circuit. Two capacitors are connected in series. Therefore, C effective is C series. So this is equal to C1 into C2 divided by C1 plus C2. Okay. So this is equal to 2 into 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Therefore, C series is equal to 2 by 3 farad. This is the first step. I hope you have understood up to this. Okay. What is the potential difference applied across the combination is 12 volt. The effective capacitance is 2 by 3 farad. Therefore, the total charge, the charge Q is equal to Cs into V. So, this is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into V is 12. So, this is 4 3s are 12, 2 4 is 8 coulomb. Therefore, Q is equal to what? 8 coulomb. Now, when two or any number of capacitors are connected in series, the same charge Q only will be stored in the capacitors, irrespective of their capacitances. The charge stored will be the same. Okay, and that is equal to the total charge 8 coulomb. But the potential difference across the capacitors will be different. Is it not? So V1 plus V2 must be equal to 12 volt. Now what is the question here? The potential difference across the capacitor of 2 farad only we have to find out. So V1, we have to find out V1. So C1 is 2 farad and Q is equal to 8 coulomb. Okay. So Q is also equal to C1 into V1. That is also equal to C2 into V2. Okay. So now Q is equal to C1 into V1. Therefore, V1 is equal to Q divided by C1. So what is Q is 8 divided by C1. So what is C1 is 2 farad. So this is equal to 4. Therefore, the potential difference across the first capacitor of 2 farad, that is V1, is equal to 4 volt. So this is the required answer. Okay. Suppose if V2, if you want to find, means V1 plus V2 must be equal to 12. So if V1 is 4 volt means naturally V2 must be equal to how much? 8. 12 minus 4 is 8 volt. Anyhow, here what is asked, the potential difference across the first capacitor V1 is equal to 4 volt. So which option is the correct answer? Okay, D. Therefore option D is the correct answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.